George and the Dragon. George and the Dragon. Night. K-N-I-G-H-T. You cannot hear the K, you cannot hear the H. So it says night. Night. Army. A-R-M-Y. A says ah. Y says I. Army. Army. Villages. V-I-L-L-A. G-E-R-S. I says I. G says G. Villages. 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 G-O-L-D. Gold. G, G. G says G. Gold. Gold. A-N-D. And. And. G-E-W-E-L-S. Jewels. Gold and jewels. Dragon. D-R-A-G-O-N. D says D. D. Dragon. 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 Hermit. H-E-R-M-I-T. H says H. Hermit. Hermit. Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. A says eh. I says I. Animals. 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 Princess. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S. I says I. C says S. Princess. 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 Food. F-O-O-D. O says ooh. Food. 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 King. K-I-N-G. K says K. I says I. G says D, G, 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 G. King. 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 Let's read all the words. Knight, army, villages, gold and jewels, dragon, hermit, animals, princess, food, king. Let's read all the words together. I will start and you will repeat. For example, I will read night. Then you're going to read night. So it's night, night. Okay? Let's start. Night, night. Army, army. Villages, villages. Gold and jewels, gold and jewels. Dragon, dragon. Hermit, hermit. Animals, animals. Princess, princess. Food, food. King, king. George and the Dragon. George was a knight who had lots of adventures. He heard about a dragon which attacked a village every day. The villagers gave the dragon all their food, animals, and gold and jewels. The army tried to capture the dragon. The king gave the dragon his daughter, the princess. George heard about the princess and killed the dragon. Everybody in the village was very happy.